Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet. It's an easy process, but you must have an account on Binance. And if you don't have an account on Binance, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, once you've logged in with a registered account, all you need to do is simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom icon of the screen. Once at the wallet section, simply scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your cryptocurrency is kept. So once you found your crypto, simply click on the BNB and click on the withdrawal option. Click on send via crypto network. Now we're taken to the BNB menu where we must add the address and the network and as well as the amount we're sending. You can get all of this information from the Trust Wallet. So minimize, open up Trust Wallet. Now with Trust Wallet opened up, you could simply use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen to simply search for BNB. And we're going to be working with the Smart Chain BNB. So click on Smart Chain and then click on the receive option. Copy this address, minimize and open up your Binance. Paste the address there. And once you've pasted the address, simply enter the network. Okay, the network has been selected automatically. Enter the minimum amount you wish to send at 0.01 and then click on the withdraw option. And by doing this, you could simply withdraw your BNB from your Binance to the Trust Wallet mobile app, which is here. And you could simply reload to confirm that transfer. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.